We're now going to look at small group attacking scenarios in 5 versus 5 and 7 versus 7 playing format. Here we have a first situation where we have two blues playing as one white defender, and they simply just play behind the white defender and turn and quickly go to goal. Again, another one where they have isolated this one defender, and since they have a attacker running into good space, they just quickly play behind the defender and again attack to goal. Players effectively found the 2 versus 1 and played quickly and kept the advantage throughout. Here we have another example of a 2 against 1 situation. Actually, there's several. We have the goalkeeper playing with this high attacker. We also have the goalkeeper playing with this wide attacker. And really, it's a 3 versus 2 situation. We have 1, 2, 3 attackers in a triangle against two defenders, two blue defenders, because this blue defender isn't really effectively applying pressure on the ball. But using the high player in this situation allows those three attackers to take care of that one blue defender. So it makes a 3 versus 2 a 2 versus 1. And here again we have two attackers effectively combining to play against that one defender to get the ball behind that one defender. Here again, because of the poor pressure applied by that defender, these two blue attackers are able to play behind that one defender in this situation. Good wall pass. Here's three white players. White on the left, a central player and the goalkeeper, playing against two blue defenders in the center of the field. The ball into the high player, gets behind that line of defenders, and it's going to be played out wide. So it makes a 3 versus 2, a 2 versus 1. That one being the one defender. Here again on the flank is another 2 against 1 situation. And in fact, since we have two blue defenders and three white defenders, 1, 2, 3, it's a 3 versus 2. But because the white team keeps spread out or balanced, it allows those two attackers to defend this one, attack this one defender, and effectively get behind him. Here we're going to have a missed opportunity to play a 2 versus 1. The players don't play quick enough to isolate this one defender. They could have gone quickly to goal if they played quickly. Again, same thing on this side. They could have played a quick a 1-2, played that, and then get it behind for this player running forward. But their lack of speed of play took the opportunity away. However, we see on this side a quick recognition of being able to attack this one defender, and a good wide overlapping run allows the blue teams to get in behind the white defenders. Again, a quick recognition, good technique on the passes allows that pass to be made. Also, it should be noted that this attacker staying out of the area that's being attacked keeps this defender honest and central, creating more space on the side, allowing these two attackers to beat this one defender. If it was a better service, a play would have been completed. Now we're going to look at similar scenarios in the 7 versus 7 playing format. Again, we see a 3 versus 2 opportunity for blues that's made into a simpler 2 versus 1 opportunity by a ball played through a seam and then a ball out wide, isolating the one wide defender. Again, we're going to see here we have on the side of the field for blues a 2 against 1 opportunity because of the angle of approach of the defender, they cannot directly take advantage of the 2 against 1 numbers, so they have to combine with a center midfielder showing in a seam in order to get behind that one defender. And out now behind that defender. Good quick play and technique allows them to accomplish it. Again, here we have another scenario, 3 versus 2, and this player's lack of ability to play this ball quickly forward takes away the opportunity. They have a really good chance here to get in behind these two defenders, either by playing a ball directly into this high attacker and then playing off of it maybe to this attacker running forward, or simply by playing this ball on this side of this blue attacker who can turn and go to goal. Either way, they miss the opportunity because this player's inability to play that ball forward quickly. Here we have, mostly because of poor marking by the blue defender, in this position failing to get goal side and ball side of that attacker, we have a good opportunity for white to play a 2 against 1. These two attackers into that defender. This ball is just played in behind that one defender, and they have an effective attempt at goal. Here again, we're going to have a missed 2 against 1 opportunity. If this attacker attacked the goal directly, this defender would have to come over and slide and honor that penetrating dribble, which would allow this attacker to try to run in behind. But because of lack of aggression to attack on this attacker's part, they missed that chance of a 2 versus 1, but in fact almost got one on the other side. Here we're just going to let the video run, see if you can find chances where attackers took advantage of small number situations or perhaps missed small group attacking situations. Poor technique took away one opportunity there. Here's a 2 versus 1, almost ball in behind. Again, there was a quick 2 versus 1. Good advantage taken there. Good patience on the white team's part. Pull the ball out again to get the Blues away from their goal.